957. Welcome back. Today I am going to do a wig review. I'm going to do the review on a human hair unit, and it was sent to me to review from this company called. Okay, this is a very popular company from Amazon. They have great quality wigs. I'm told about the Sunber hair, but I'm going to give a review to you and give you my thoughts on the hair. This is the hair. Okay, and it looks very much like this wig that I'm wearing. Same quality, same feel, and everything. So I'm going to get into the cap construction now. This wig has an ear-to-ear lace inside the cap. It looks pretty standard for a lace front human hair wig. It has a cap in the back, adjustable straps. Did I say a cap? I mean a comb in the back and adjustable straps. It also has a little lace in the back, I guess if you want to put your hair up in ponytails and stuff like that, which I never do. There is a comb in the middle of the cap. There's also a comb on the side, on either side. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 combs on this unit. Okay, so this in the front is a ear-to-ear lace. Trying to get in on the camera. It's an ear-to-ear lace. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go off camera and I'm going to put this wig on. It looks identical to the wig I'm wearing. That's hilarious. Okay, the density of the wig is like an everyday density that I call it an everyday density because it's not too thick and it's not too thin. I think the length is perfect for everyday. It's a little bit longer than the last unit that I wore. If you want to see that unit, you can look up in the cards here. That was a short bob, blunt short bob. It was really cute, and I do like that wig a lot. But this one, I'm going to go off camera. I'm going to put this on. You know, I'm going to give you my thoughts on it. I do not think that this particular wig is one that you could just wear right out the box. You're going to have to do some work on this wig. Now, I don't usually do a lot of work on these wigs. I don't do the ball cap, you know. I don't do any glue or anything like that. Anything that I have to do a lot of work on, I don't really appreciate that. I like to get something right out the box that I can put on. You know, every once in a while I might have to do a little bit more work, but if I have to do too much work on a wig, I'm not wearing it. That's it. I'm not wearing it because I don't like to do a whole lot of work. So I'm going to go off camera. I'm going to see how this wig looks. I'm going to cut off the lace, and I'm going to be right back to let you know my thoughts on this wig. Okay, lovelies, I am back with this Sunber unit, and I want to tell you the pros and cons of this unit. You know, it looks very similar to the unit I had on, but there are some differences between the unit I have on and this unit. The hair on this unit is extremely soft, softer than the other unit I had. That is a pro for me. And also the length is a pro. The density is a pro because this is an everyday unit for sure because it's not that much hair. It looks very natural. Let me show you what it looks like. You see what it comes down to? So it's a very nice unit, nice density, you know. Now, the cons are this unit is not a beginner unit, in my opinion. I had to cut the lace off. These are the lace pieces from the front and the back. And I had to go in and pluck the hair. This is the hair that I plucked. And also the tabs are not glued down or tacked down in any kind of way. So right now I would have to wear the unit just like this, or put a hat on or something with it. So that is a con for me, that it's not exactly beginner friendly. Also, I had to put the adjustable strap all the way in the back because it's kind of loose. It's kind of big for my head. I mean, I understand they have to make stock wigs so that it could fit like most people. They're not just gonna make the wig just for me and my size head unless I have a custom made wig. So that's kind of like the cons for me. But the hair is very soft. I do love the density. I can wear this every day after I hook it up and everything, because there's a little lump here on this side. Actually, there's a little lump up there, but that's my hair. I have my hair like in a little twist, so it's sticking up. If I do like braids, the wig will lie flatter than this, but I like it. I do like it. I didn't expect that I was gonna like it. I think I have to do more work on it. It's a beautiful color. You can't see the color really here because it's kind of like a brownish, dark, very dark brown, but it has like a little brown highlights in it. Also, it is really a cute wig. Look at it. The density is, this is perfect. You could just wear this every day. I really didn't expect to like this because I'm not really into human hair like that, but I could see this one. I was gonna get this. I'm keeping this one. I really like this. I actually prefer this wig over the wig that I was wearing. Not that the other wig, there was anything wrong with the other wig. I just prefer the density on this wig. I prefer the feel on this wig. I think this wig, the hair is really good quality. Now, if you want to buy this wig and you want to put in a little extra work, you can do that, because I see that I'm going to have to put in a little more work before I wear this wig. And the other great thing about the wig is that you could dye this hair, you can curl it, you're going to treat it exactly like you would treat your own hair. I had to flat iron this hair, and it was very easy to flat iron. Extremely easy to flat iron. I like that, and it looks like it could be my own relaxed hair. Yeah, so that's it for the wig. Let me know what you think about this wig as opposed to the other wig. Do you see the difference between this wig and the other wig? And which one do you prefer? Anyway, that's it, ladies. And I'll see you in the next video. Oh, by the way, if you're new here and you got this far, hit that subscribe button and smash the notification bell. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.